Welcome to Best Pickup.
10 Best Countertop Microwave of. We are going to check out top 10 best countertop microwave in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this countertop microwave, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
GE 3-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven, complete with air fryer, broiler and convection mode, 1.0 cubic feet capacity. 1050 watts kitchen essentials for the countertop or dorm room stainless steel. Air fry mode. Cook healthier, crispier versions of your favorite foods in less time thanks to an air fryer built into your microwave. Convection mode. Achieve crisp, golden brown results in this microwave oven with convection, which includes a special rack that allows air to circulate around foods for even heat distribution.
Top 9.
BLACK+DECKER Digital Microwave Oven with Turntable Push-Button Door, Child Safety Lock, Stainless Steel, 0.9 Cu.ft. Pre-programmed buttons for popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetable, beverage and dinner plate. 900 watts with 10 power settings, clock and kitchen timer, 30 seconds express cooking. Large LED digital display, easy to read control panel, child safety lock, interior light, removable 10.6 glass turntable. Push button door release for easy access. Dimensions: WXDXA 19.1 x 14.8 x 11.5. Internal dimensions: 12.36 x 13.66 x 8.70. WXDX8. Color of door frame is stainless steel. Enclosure is black.
Top 8.
GE 3-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven, complete with air fryer, broiler and convection mode, 1.0 cubic feet capacity. 1050 watts kitchen essentials for the countertop or dorm room stainless steel. Air fry mode. Cook healthier, crispier versions of your favorite foods in less time thanks to an air fryer built into your microwave. Convection mode. Achieve crisp, golden brown results in this microwave oven with convection.
Top 7.
Panasonic NASD 78LS 1.6 Cu.ft Cyclonic Inverter Countertop Microwave Oven, 1250 watt power with Genius Sensor Cooking, COSTWAY, stainless steel. Delicious food, smarter cooking with Panasonic microwaves. Panasonic patented cyclonic wave inverter technology evenly circulates heat in 3D waves for more even, efficient cooking with delicious results.
Top 6.
Panasonic Microwave Oven NNASN 686S Stainless Steel Countertop / Built-in with Inverter Technology and Genius Sensor, 1.2 cubic foot, 1200 W. Panasonic Microwave. This 1200 watt high power, 1.2 cubic foot capacity stainless steel countertop / built-in microwave delivers a seamless stream of cooking power for even cooking and delicious flavor. Inverter technology with turbo defrost. Patented inverter technology generates a seamless stream of power and delivers consistent, evenly prepared food without overcooking. Advanced inverter turbo defrost speeds up defrosting time.
Top 5.
TOSHIBA M131, a 5CS countertop microwave oven, 1.2 Cu.ft with 12.4 turntable, smart humidity sensor with 12 auto menus, mute function and ECO mode, easy clean interior, stainless steel, and 1100 W. Pre-programmed sensor menu for optimum heating of popular foods like pizza, potatoes, veggies, and more. Power wattage, microwave, 1100 W. Rated voltage, 120 V, 60 Hz. Stylish appearance with large interior, fitting a 12-inch pizza. Stainless steel exterior, Color of door frame is stainless steel. Enclosure is black. 20.51 x 17.14 x 12.83 inch BLACK+DECKER. Large one. 2 cubic feet capacity. Cavity 13.07 x 15 x 9.5 inch BLACK+DECKER. Removable turntable 12.4 inch diameter.
Top 4.
COSTWA Retro Countertop Microwave Oven. 09 Cu.ft 900W Microwave Oven. With 5 micro power, defrost and auto cooking function, LED display, glass turntable, and viewing window, child lock. 5 microwave power LEVALs, featuring with 5 power levels. Defrost, M low 40p, M high 80p, high on 100p, and speed cooking. This microwave oven is designed to meet your various cooking needs. It could not only keep food warm and delicious, but also service for defrost and cook the food. 360 degrees THING evenly ATATING. Minus 360 degrees heating and rotation of glass turntable during operation helps cook food more evenly and then improves the cooking efficiency.
Top 3.
TOSHIBA MLEM45 PITSS. Countertop microwave oven with inverter technology, kitchen essentials, smart sensor, auto defrost, 1.6 Cu.ft, 13.6, removable turntable, 33 pounds, and 1,350 God, stainless steel. Sleek design with large capacity. Tileless stainless steel. Color of door frame is stainless steel. Enclosure is black. With timeless design, 13.6 removable turntable fits a 12 pizza. External dimension, BLACK+DECKER. 21.8 x 19.2 x 13 inches. Internal dimension, BLACK+DECKER. 15.5 x 17 x 10.2 inches.
Top 2.
BLACK+DECKER M031 MB11 digital microwave oven with turntable push-button door, child safety lock, 1000 dod, 1 mon Cu.ft, black and stainless steel, 1.1 Cu.ft. Pre-programmed buttons for popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetable, beverage and dinner plate. 1000 watts with 10 power settings, clock and kitchen timer, 30 seconds express cooking. Large LED digital display, easy to read control panel, child safety lock, interior light, removable 12.4 glass turntable.
Top 1.
TOSHIBA 6-in-1 Inverter Microwave Oven Air Fryer Combo. Countertop microwave, healthy air fryer, broil, convection, speedy combi, even defrost, 11.3 turntable, eco mode. Sound on/off, 27 auto menu. 6-in-1 ultimate versatility. This multi-microwave with 10 power levels is your ultimate kitchen helper. The versatility as a microwave, air fryer, convection oven, broiler, defroster, speedy combi make it your best countertop space saver. Inverter technology for even cooking and defrost. With inverter technology, this countertop microwave provides even cooking, reheating, and defrosting. Unlike traditional microwave heating system, it allows more uniform distribution of heat in food. Guarantee the maximum tender texture.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.